Analyzing poetry. First, you must select your poem that you would like to share with your class and also teach them the steps that they will be looking for using T.W.I.S.T. Identifying the different parts to a poem, stanza, line. Also reading the poem with the students, identifying vocabulary, which is highlighted or underlined in red. Identifying the lines throughout the poem so students understand what lines are, what stanzas are. Tone, word choice, imagery, style, and theme will be the areas that they will focus on as they're identifying the different parts to the poem. Each student will choose a sticky note in the areas that they would like to discover. They will have to identify these different areas in groups. As they identify the different parts of T.W.I.S.T, they will place the sticky notes back on the board with their answers. We will then discuss the poem again to make sure that they have the right answer. T.W.I.S.T. Tone, word choice, imagery, style, and theme. This can be used with any text, but we use poetry for this selection.